Dear friends, everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video I will also show you how you can stop automatic deletion of text messages on your iPhone. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also write your comments and put your likes under the video. So, let us friends get into this topic. And if you go to the messaging app, scroll down to and let's say you see that the maximum number of messages that you have is for the last year, then friends, that means that your messages are automatically deleted after a year as they are stored in the messaging app. But you can fix this. To do so, tap on the settings on your iPhone. Then, friends, scroll to the very bottom. Tap the app. Then find the messaging app. Next, tap on it to open it. And now, friends, you will need to find here the section that is called When We'll Delete These Messages. And you will be able to customize there how long it will take to auto-delete the messages. As you can see, there are several options. The first is 30 days, the second is 1 year, and the third option is never. That is, if you need to keep all your messages for a very long time, perhaps for several years, then choose the last option. This will stop your text messages from being automatically deleted. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. Bye-bye, everyone.